Entertainment.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, people. How y'all feeling? Good morning, good morning. It's your girl Nick A. Trace here. Nick A. Trace here. What's going on? What's going on? Let's get to these charts. I'm trying to I added a viewer count on my thing and it's not working, which is why I'm late, because I had it was working yesterday and it's like now it's not working, but it's all good. I'm new to all of this streaming stuff, you know. Okay, hold on a second. I'm trying to put all of this stuff in the same tab and minimize that. I'm trying to get my own live, but so I can see how many people are on, but I can't. It won't let me. Still some stuff I have to figure out. But good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. I call myself being grown, and that offer always seems so good, but it be yearly, and I be wanting to pay it monthly. It would be a smart thing to do to go ahead and pay it for the year, but I just rather not. So I caught myself being grown and trying to trade London session, but obviously it didn't work out. But I only lost $50 though. I mean, my risk management was still intact. I didn't lose a lot, but you know, still was a loss. It's just crappy freaking price action, man. It's December, it's the end of the year. FOMC is later on today. I don't even think I'm gonna trade on a I don't think I'm gonna trade on the live, like, well, I don't have a live, but on a combine this morning. But yeah, I caught myself trying to trade on it because it manipulated and it came back down to the 50%. Hey, good morning, Zay. What's going on? It caught itself coming back down, and then I thought it was manipulating and then distributing higher when it came out of the Asian high, the Asian range, which is this blue box right here. So I was like, okay, it came out and manipulated. It came back to close to the 50%. It was gonna take off, which it did. But when I had got in, of course, it just reversed. So, yep, there's that. We back. That's right. We back. We back. We back. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I haven't had a chance to make my levels, but it's obvious. You see the previous daily high, previous daily low here. It took out the Asian high. I just took out the Asian low. It's almost about to take out this previous daily low. I want it to come deeper into this 4-hour gap right here though. I want it to come deeper into this 4-hour gap. I mean over here. And see how I was inverting that end dog, the new day opening gap? Yeah, this is a 15-minute time frame. So, we're at all-time highs still. I mean, let me go to the daily. It already had took out the previous week's high. So it's like when it does that, it's like you don't really have a weekly bias. You just going based off the day, and it just tapped into this daily gap here. And yeah, so we're still here. So I'm gonna mark this as my high time frame. Buy side liquidity now that it's trying to make a move to the downside, supposedly. So yeah, I'm gonna mark that as my buy side liquidity. I don't really have a sell side right now. If I were, it would probably be this low here, but it's so far away, I'll just leave it be for now. Let me see. I might just go ahead and put it higher time frame sell side liquidity. I don't even think I have a higher time frame sell side liquidity. It's okay. I'm gonna clone it and just relabel it. So what y'all looking at this morning? Anybody took any early morning trade? I tried to take a London session trade, man. I tried to get ahead of the game. See if I can catch something. But I mean, it could have been caught, but I just think the timing of when I had got in, it just didn't work out. Good morning, Reese. Good morning. What y'all looking at this morning? Alright, just took out this low. And it's the low from yesterday. No. Yeah, last night at 6 p.m. Yeah, just took that out. Good morning, y'all. What's up? Yeah, it's tanking. US 30. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and take a look at US 30. Oh, it's still in that gap? What? Dang, I thought it was gonna go ahead and tank through that. I don't know. US 30 looking a little suspect. I think I'm gonna leave that alone. It's like it's gonna fill in this whole gap, but that's the thing. It's like price know that, so it's just gonna do this crap here, like it just rejected the end dog again. I wouldn't even so much say what's an end dog. Yep, 6 p.m. Yep. This is Monday's end dog on US 30. New day open the gap. That's what it's abbreviation for. Man, I can't even. I can't even see how many people here, man. Sheesh, man. This is crazy. I'm trying to see how many. I can't even go to my own video. That's crazy. Hey, best friend. Good morning, Michelle. My best friend is here. I caught a trade during Asian. Then pre-market, I was in that sell reverse at the top, and they played around so much till I got irritated. Closed with a small profit, and then it dumped. Yep. Oh shoot. Yeah, I was in. I was just telling y'all, this the trade I tried to catch during London. It was around like 5:45 this morning. Caught myself trying to take a buy out of the Asian range. Oh, let me go back. I'll try to catch an early one because I feel like it's gonna be some crap during gotta give it a minute. Oh wait, I was on the wrong time frame. It only goes up to I think the 15. Yeah, so this Asian range, I was trying to catch a power of 3 for Asian session, which is accumulation, manipulation, which it comes out of the Asian range and then kind of distributes. So it came back up, manipulated out of it, came back and retest somewhat of the 50% of the Asian range, and then it distributed. So when I had got in, well, tried to get in, of course, as soon as I get in, it does this crap. So I only lost $50. So I was risking like 2 something, but I was like, nah, as soon as it comes through this gap, it's like you just automatically know it's just going to tank. There's no point in just losing money just to lose it at that point. It's like you're just freely just giving it away. You already know it's going to reverse, so that's what I ended up trying to take for London session. It didn't work, so I do see a wedge that was right here, though. Let me see. Can they have gone this far? I say like right here. Could have taken this, but I would want it to come back up with this 15. Yeah, I would want it to come back up and retest this gap here and then drop. But the market doing its own thing right now. You know, it's so much going on, and it's news at 2 and 2:30. So the market it's just at the end of the day, it's just come down to like just good morning, T Money. What's up? What's up? It just come down to just having risk management. Like if you're gonna take a trade, just don't risk a lot. Just do very low probability, like I have in my journal right here. Like I already have risk less on low probability days, no more than 250 a day. So, and on a regular day, I want to risk like 400 max. And this right here. So I just have a plan whenever the charts, the market is like this. It's just best to have a plan. Man, I gotta make the levels. I gotta make the levels. Make the levels. I can't even. Man. I can't even see how many people in. It won't let me go to my live. I had my little Streamlabs up here so I can see how many people here, but it done disappear and I can't put it back on here no more. It's crazy. Nothing ever works when it's supposed to be working, when it's supposed to work. Alright, let me see what y'all looking at. Happy holidays too. The holiday season. Christmas is next week. This month went by fast, man. This whole month went by fast. Like it's crazy. It's like I'm here, I'm existing, but it's like where did the month go? Is my live freezing up, y'all? Is it acting up on y'all part? Bounce back with a W today. Caught 4% since the open. Okay, yeah, it did drop since the open. Anybody having any? Is it freezing up or is it like breaking up or anything on y'all end? Let me know. Oh, it's cool? Okay, cool. Okay. Just making sure. Yeah, if I take a trade this morning, it's gonna only be like one contract, to be honest, because with these type of conditions, you got to be a really risky trader to really be in here risking a lot of money, for real, for real. Okay, let me put I forgot to put the end dog. That's what it is. Yeah, y'all gotta put my levels on here. I forgot to do it on Topstep. I think it's right here. No, it's not. Hold on. Sometime I can spot it. First of all, let me delete that. Sometime I can spot it just by looking at the candlesticks. Sometimes I can spot it. Boom. Major difference. Look at it. All those small candles. Yeah, this the new day opening guy right here. This candle right here. This what started all the riffraff. What y'all looking at though? You good on my screen? Okay, cool, good. Just making sure, because it's like my quality goes up to like 720. I want it to be 1080, but it's like my Dell computer. I'm telling you, if you want to get an Office desktop, do not get a Dell. Do not get a Windows Dell. I'm telling you will regret it. This is my third brain that I had to buy, because it just keep freezing, or the lighter blink like a orange color. Y'all like my shirt? I love Avatar, y'all. I love Avatar. I know it's like a big kid, but I just love Avatar. My little sister put me on, like, when we was little. I didn't want to watch it because I don't really care too much for anime stuff, but I do love Avatar. I'll sit like the beginning of this year, I literally watched the whole. I just took like a couple of months just to watch the whole show over again. And I watched I didn't watch that movie. I didn't care too much for it. But they did have one on Netflix. They had one on Netflix recently. They only did like one season, I think. Maybe a couple of seasons. Alright. So this is 6 p.m. I'm just gonna mark this as like eternal sell side. Okay, put the wrong one. What the heck? Nothing wanna behave this morning. Like nothing wanna. Sheesh. Everybody wanna act up this morning. I set it on Streamlabs. I set it so I can see how many people on, and it just disappeared. Oh, I need to mark the previous daily low that it just took out. It's 15. Yeah, which was right here. So I can see it with my eyes. Okay, so we got bounce back today. So we got 2 people that took some trades this morning. Okay, cool. Y'all be trading on live accounts, or y'all be trading on like combines or prop firms, or what y'all be trading on? I know I'm not ready for no live account. I'm gonna be honest. I can't. I already know I'm gonna blow it. Because it's like I'm still in that prop firm mindset. I'd rather put the same amount that I'm risking on the prop firm and put it in a live account, rather than just putting $200-300 in there on NAS. It's just too risky. You can lose it. You can lose it like in a quick second. I'm in this 1 minute buy reversal I'm going to scalp. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm on the 15. Okay, yeah, I see it. I see it. Got 2 minutes until the 950 macro. Ooh, it's a lot going on right there. You got the end dog right there, and it's a gap here. It already done rejected off it, consolidated this whole time. Also, if you new here, where you from? Thank you for pulling up. I trade both live and prop. Oh, okay. I want Apex 250K evaluation and trade Tradeify. I heard about Tradeify. They give you a funded account. Well, not give you. You gotta pay for it, but they let you buy a funded account. Is that true? I heard about that. I seen something about that. I heard about Apex too. It's like, I just feel like it's too complicated. It would be too complicated for me. That's why I like Topstep, because they simple. Their rules are simple. The only thing I don't like is that 149 activation fee, bro. Other than that, I'm cool with Topstep. Like everything else, like, and that 5 days, like you gotta make 200, which is, I mean, it's not bad though, because you got other prop firms that do the same thing. You gotta make a certain amount to get another payout and stuff like that. So it got to be a con in there somewhere. Yeah, they do, but I got the evaluation for self for 15 bucks. What? Talking about Tradeify? Tradeify, right? Yeah, I heard about Apex. Apex was doing like $20 deals or something like that. Okay, we got 25% bullish, 25% bearish, 50% neutral. Yeah, I'm neutral. I'm not, it's like, I'm just kind of, you can't really, I don't know. It did take out this low, of course. You would aim for it to take out a buy, but it to take out the high, but ES haven't even taken out the low yet. So it can trade down further. ES hasn't even taken a low. It's still within this range. But for Nash, of course you would look for it to take out the going back into the premium, which is towards this previous daily high. So this is the range I'm looking at. We're in a discount market right now. It has not taken out the previous daily high, but you know what happened yesterday? It didn't take out the high yesterday either, and it just kept dumping. One day giveaway a couple of days ago. Oh, 1 day giveaway? Ooh, shoot. They like, shoot, y'all gonna catch this one time. We gonna let y'all get a discount this one time. Now get out my face. Alright, we in a 950 macro right now. I do see this 5 minute fair value gap right here. It could trade lower because, I mean, it done rejected this area. So let's see. If I put a sell stop here, I would want my stop loss to be up there, but because that's where that wick is. And that'd be my 100 pips right there. Pips or ticks or whatever. But anything that makes sense when a market is like this, it's like, it's just bound to do some stupid job. Like, you just look for it to do something crazy, because it was so simple when you saw it, but as soon as you get in, then it just shows something else. And then if you don't take it, then it'll play out. Yeah, if I take this, it'll only be like one contract. I might take this. We in the macro time.
Order filled.
I'm only risking $100 to make $200. Let's see how this macro plays out, guys. So 1 to 2 trade, I'm risking 50 ticks to make 100 ticks. There is a low down here from yesterday at 6 p.m. So let's see how this plays out. It's right at the 950 macro, so hopefully it gives some volume down to the downside. See how it works out. And it's in a downtrend right now too. Yeah. Yeah, it didn't take out this low right here. I'm gonna mark out this one on. See what I'm saying? Stuff that makes sense just don't make sense. Like, look at it. Seek and destroy. Like, this is the seek and destroy conditions right here, bro. That's why I'm not risking a lot. And this account just keeps freaking getting lower and lower. It's been a horrible month, man. Well, this can be break even too. Man, it don't even look like it's gonna get down there anyway. That is crazy. As soon as I get in, bro. Dang, bro. That's crazy, man. I ain't never took this many losses like this. Like, this is crazy. Just closed my scalp. Yeah, where you said you had got in at? I think it was somewhere in here you said you were in buys or something like that. Give myself 2 trades, but I'll give myself 2 trades. Still have a 1050 macro, and I gotta be off the charts at least by, yeah, okay. I gotta be off the charts by like 11:30, because I'm having a luncheon with my goddaughters today at their school. Their Christmas luncheon. So yeah, I got to be wrapping this up around 11:30. That's crazy, man. As soon as I got in. It is what it is. Right where that consolidation range is at. As soon as I got in, it started to break even on US 30 long. Let me see. What time frame you took the trade? Okay, yeah, that's a nice range right there. This is what I wanted to happen for Nas scalp. One minute. Okay. Oh. It rejected off of that end dog. Hopefully it continues to drop down. Ooh. Got them wicks on the 15, man. I just thought I was gonna come down here and take out this low too. It's like one long behind wick down here. Oh, it had already taken out the low. Well, I'm just not seeing that. Let me see. Yeah, it already took the low out. It already took out the previous daily low at yeah, it already took it out. I'm tripping. That's why I expanded like that, because it took that low out. Let me see something. Oh yeah. It took out yesterday's previous daily low. Hold on. Yeah, it took out the previous weekly high. Yeah, it's gonna look like an immediate stop out again. Inverted head and shoulders on the 1 hour. Well, on US 30. Yeah, I used to trade all that stuff, man. Yeah, I see it. It's just that gap kind of like throwing it off. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah. Dang, man. It's crazy how I can't go to my live, man. Yeah, that's crazy. Naz hates me this month. Like, this is crazy. Setups like this, like, normally would just happen, but it's what I'm saying, man. These conditions. These conditions is just not feasible. But as long as your risk is managed, you should be straight. Always use proper risk management. Go in what you're willing to lose on your account, whether it's a demo or a live account. I lost 50 bucks trying to trade London, and then I risked 100 bucks. Which I give myself 2 trades for each session, so that's crazy. I just cannot. Yo, good morning, Flux. What's going on? Welcome. This is crazy, bro. I can't open my own video. Like, I don't understand. I cannot open my own video to see how many people is here. I don't understand. I've been trying to do this the whole time I've been on here. Hey, it's consolidated. It's rejecting that end dog 50%. It's holding a little bit. What you looking at today, Flux? Six people? Okay. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out later. A daily demand on US 30 that it touch. Oh yeah. Yep. Demand and like a gap. It's been giving setups the whole time while I was watching it. Then when I want to trade it, then it's doing something crazy. This is embarrassing, bro. Just started my channel and this will be the third L in a row. But like the traders that I do follow on YouTube is tough markets too. And today's FOMC, so it was risky trading today anyway, because a lot of people not really trading today. So I guess I gotta put that in perspective. Yeah, I'm gonna keep pushing. It's like at this point, it's like I'm locked in. Like I'm about to be 5 years in. Like there's no giving up. Like that is out. Like I'm way past that now. The only thing I would say is to have like another have like something else that I do on the side as well, and not like solely depend on this just yet. Because even if I had like 3 or 4K in like a funded account or whatever, it's like the string of losses just would have been outrageous. So I guess I'm gonna have to put in my notes too, like when I lose 2 days in a row, just don't trade on that third day. And I lost 2 days this week, so even if I risk less, so yeah, giving up not an option. It's just the fact that I gotta withdraw, I got payouts and stuff, and it's like you think it's gonna be like easier after that, and it's like then the election happened, and then the presidency and all of that, and Trump, and but I would say I do look forward into like 2025 being a better year than last year, than this year here. I'm already talking like it's 2025. I would say it would be a better year, because everybody's saying like, you know, trading during Trump's presidency is like it's a lot of volume. So I think it's just the fact that it's the end of the quarter 4. So the proper risk management will be just fine. Yeah. Yep, you're right, Michelle. You're absolutely right. It's all in your head. I ain't gonna lie, I hate losing, bro. I hate losing, but like that's what I had to accept. But like I said, I'll be transparent with you guys. I mean, hey, it is what it is. It happens. Now I was playing around my stop loss. I know it's gonna take me out. It's just that's crazy, bro. How many? I bet this happens to every inspiring trader though. As soon as you get in, you just think the market is against you. Like you're the only person trading in the market, and it just goes against you as soon as you get in. That's exactly what just happened. Like I wasn't even in profit, barely a tick, if that. Yeah. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Fight for my life. I feel you on that, man. Cause it's like I know how to trade. Just the conditions just don't. It just don't be. It just don't be right. And then you look at other people. They making taking wins and stuff. And that's another thing too. That's one thing I had to learn. Like I can't base my chapter on somebody else's chapter on what they got going on. You know what they have going on. If they in a winning streak and I'm in a losing streak, I can't compare them to me. You know what I mean? Because I can be winning and then they can be losing. So that's another thing that I struggled with for a while. It's like, what am I doing wrong? I guess I can be trying to figure this out on the side while my alert's not coming up. My viewer count. As long as you follow your plan, doesn't matter. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank y'all. And that's why I wanted to kind of share my journey too, because I know it's a lot of traders that's going through the same thing. Especially if somebody's just starting off, or they just watch from the sidelines, just be like, dang, like I wanna learn how to do this, but I wanna see somebody else do it live. I wanna see somebody, point of view, you know. Especially being a black woman. You don't find too many black women traders. I just stumbled across another channel as well. Her name is I don't know what her name is, but her channel is called Her Trader Journal or something like that. Her Journal or something. So I like supporting other traders. Like I'm not the type of person that just like don't want nobody to win. I want everybody to win. Can you explain what made you take this trade? Yeah. Well, first off, let me go here. Go to the 15-minute. Wait, I think I'm getting stopped out. And I've learned too, like don't take your profits too quick. Sometimes it can be like a 0.5 tick away from your stop loss, and it'll go in profit. That has happened to me. I'm trading not for the week. Y'all later change and become disciplined. I'm telling you, for real, your whole life really has to change, because you have to be disciplined in every area of your life. Like you can't be slacking. I'm gonna explain Les Lopez. I just want to see when I get stopped out real quick, if I'm gonna get stopped out. Really nice. If you're gonna stop me out, fam. This is just this is like, come on, man, you playing around. That's all Nas doing is playing with emotions right now. Yeah, discipline is key. Discipline is key even when losing, for real. You have to stay poised. Ooh. Stop being petty, Naz. Just stop me out. Jesus. Like, why? Golly. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and explain the trade. Naz playing. Just go ahead and stop me out, bro. So, yeah. So, this is for Les Lopez 15. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my channel and my video. So I'm not sure if you trade ICT concepts or not, but we're in this range. We're in this previous daily high, previous daily low range. I did see where it took out the low, but it took out the low already. I saw that after the fact. But yeah, I took out the low here, and I was looking for it to push higher. But when I went to, what time frame is this? I went to the 1 minute, and I saw this gap here, and it was consolidating here from this fair value gap, and it rejected before. So I was like, well, I'm gonna look for sales, you know, for it to continue to trade lower. That's basically why I got in the trade, because it was already, first of all, it was already in a downtrend, and then it presented a fair value gap right here.
Order filled.
Yeah, and got stopped up. And then it's a low down here as well. Like this low right here. Like it's a lot of liquidity down here. So that's why I basically got in the trade, thinking it was gonna go ahead and just continue to trade lower. So, but of course it didn't do that. So 950 macro is over with. Reversing on me while in profits. I was starting to closing early. Yeah. When I moved stop loss to break even as soon as I see. Yeah, cause listen, bro. When I had my last, cause I had I had passed 2 in November. Combines. So I breached the first one, and then the second one, I was in a trade. I was in buys, and then when I kind of seen it reversing a little bit, I was like, look, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it to break even. But my take profit, I just moved it high. It was during London session. It was a London session trade. I had moved the high like maybe like 200 pips, 200-300 ticks. And then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, go to bed or whatever. And then, you know, it ended up coming down, stopping me out, and then reverse. And then when I woke up in the morning, it hit my TP. And guess how much that TP was? $4,000. Talking about somebody was hurt. I was hurt, man. If I would have just set that trade, if I would have just kept my stop loss where it was, and when it came back down and retested my entry, I would have been up. Yep, exactly what I did. As soon as I seen it turn around, I just went ahead and set it to break even. Yes. I was so hurt, man. I was so hurt, and I was angry because I'm like, bruh. And it came down, and I studied it. I said, nah, it had to come down further down. Because, you know, sometimes you'll see your setup, and it'll come down. It'll come all the way down for like 100 ticks, and then it'll go up in your way. I said, okay, it came down 100 ticks, but no. It intentionally came down to that break even, to that entry, and then it took off. That could have been 4 bands, bro. That could have been 4 bands I could have made that night. Yep. So that's trade number 1. I got 503 left that I can trade on this account. It's all lessons. We don't have, yep. So now I try to kind of wait a little bit, or if I don't put it at the entry, I try to put it like maybe like 3 to 5 ticks below the entry, But sometimes it can still wick down, like wick all the way down at your entry and then push up. So you just got to kind of be mindful a little bit. Okay, I do see a little wedge. I do trade wedges, y'all. It's a bearish setup. Get in the zone. Auto zone. Tap right here. Yep, try to take sales off of this one. And that was a risky trade too, because like I said, it's an end dog right here, so it keep reacting off of that. Which is why so many doggone wicks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It closed above it. And it's in a gap right here, and there's another one here, so there's low-key another wedge right here though that I had marked earlier. I would want to see it kind of tap this one to drop. Ugh, no. Ew, no. What my dad play was that on? Ew, no. I'm long overdue to watch Tyler Perry play. I ain't watched none of his plays in a long time. I used to always watch his stuff growing up. Anybody in a trade right now? Oh, I need to learn. I need to stretch. I need to start stretching. Sheesh, man. I'm getting old. Y'all guess how old I am? I bet nobody can guess. Bet you nobody can guess how old I am. Stuck at 1 hour resistance. Oh yeah. Let's see how it's gonna react off of this right here. See if it even gets to that. It wouldn't be a bad 24. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Look, 19. Nah, I'm not 19. Reese, you a little close. Thank y'all though. 24, 19. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Reese close. Very close. It always be these type setups where it's like it can drop, you know. Oh my god, thank y'all. 24, 19. Oh my gosh, the trading guy. Oh my gosh, thank you. Higher or lower? No, you gotta guess. I can't tell you that now. A lot of people be like, what? I'll be like, yep. Got a Cicely Tyson on your hands. Cicely Tyson looked doggone good before she passed. She always looked good for her age. Just take a quick guess. One more. I'll give y'all one more guess, and then I'll tell y'all. This not a bad setup right here. But at the same time, it's a wedge. You know? And it's a 15-minute gap up here. And this could be the silver bullet. This could be a silver bullet. Where I might tend to get close. Anybody else want to guess? Reese might give it away. 27. Nope. $29. Nope. Alright, so that's another guess. I'm 32, y'all. I'm 32. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, it's right. 32. Yep. October 6th, 1992. 1992. When everything was everything. Nah, I told you. 32, y'all. 32. That's what I'm saying. I'm getting old, man. I was in my bed last night. I'm just moving around. I heard some cracks. I'm like, what the work? I got to start stretching and working out or something. That is ridiculous. But y'all, I used to be super skinny. Like skinnier than what I am now. Oh, now you want to invert that gap. I don't know, bro. That is my wedge setup, though. I'm not gonna lie. That's my wedge setup. Alright, this gonna be my last trade, guys. It's gonna be my last trade. I'm gonna put a sell stop like right below this candle right here. My max for the day is 250. I see it starting to invert this gap, but it's still a little risky though. I'm not gonna lie. Season, that's right. Season. Got something's in my eye. But yeah, I'm gonna try this trade right here. This is my whip. Oh my god, y'all. I have not been freaking screenshotting my setups. Alright. I have to do my first one. I know where I got in at. Today is the... Golly, man. Mm-hmm. 11 people voted. Thank y'all for voting. 45 bullish, 18 bearish, 36 neutral. Yeah. Yeah, low probability day, I'm only risking 250 for the day max. That's it. But it's like 503 is the most I can lose right now. But it's like on a good day, I can easily get that back. Like, but it's just the market just ain't been. The market ain't been marketing, man. It's like trading is not hard. It's just when you trading in difficult conditions, it's like it's hard. It shouldn't be hard. Whenever it becomes hard, it's like just stop trading. It should be easy to catch setups. It should be easy. It should not be hard. Because it's like you look for the same exact thing every single day. And it's like if it don't show your setup, it's like why? I just don't see myself buying right now because of this wedge right here. Like that shape. It's almost like it's just a little pullback because it's been, it dropped so dramatic and drastic. Consolidated right here, rejected it. It market open. It sold. But you know what? This is the type of market for like scalpers that really just be scalping like 10 to 15 ticks or something. Like basically this move right here and out the market. You know? Well, I don't know if it's gonna come back to that. Can't forget this gap right here, and it's still a gap right here. But let me see something. Is that a volume imbalance? No, it's not. Yeah, I don't think that thing coming back down. Nah, I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna be home around 2 o'clock, 2:30. I was about to say maybe I should have just traded during afternoons, but it's like after that you only have what 2:30, 3:30. You have an hour and a half, if that, left in the market to trade. Cause Topstep, they market close at 4:10 every day, so it's like it's not even worth trying to catch something. Cause it may, I don't know, it's just not enough time, I guess. It's gonna be all right. I'm a church girl, y'all. Gonna be all right. Oh, the sun's shining. Shed a little light on the situation. How my camera look. Oh, it's showing a little glare in it. Oh, never mind. Might leave a little bit open. It's a beautiful day outside, guys. Beautiful day in Georgia. Georgia. Getting right with Jesus. Walking the green mile. Well, I don't know, guys. But it is a 15-minute what's the face right here. It's another wedge here that it can kind of, you know. Let me go to trading view because maybe I'm. This is where I really be doing my setups from. Oh, look at ES. ES still hasn't taken out that low, man. Where is the silver bullet? Where art thou? Man, look at that curve up, man. It just seemed like it just need to pull back or something. And it's like, nope, not today. Right. This is dreadful to watch. Okay. I saw this, but I didn't think. Where y'all from? I have 8 people. I finally got my live. It let me. Until I fix my stream elements crap. Well, stream labs. Where it shows me how many people in here. Break it. Break it. Break it, break it, break it. I don't know. Look at ES, man. ES just like. It just seems so simple. You know, it just seems like it's so simple, man. It left a gap open. Let me go down to the tree. I mean, look at that. Like, it has to come down. Look at that, man. Look at that shape. It's not just gonna go straight up all the time. You have to come down. It has to come down. It has to pull back at some point. I mean. 1050 macro, guys. 1050 macro in a minute. So you got in the sale. I took. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look, I mean, y'all, look at the shape. There's no. I wish the market can do that all the time. There's no way. There's no way it's just gonna keep going up like that. It's a fairy tale. Like, come on, man. Come on. What movie is that song? That's on, y'all. Y'all know. Come on. That Mortal Kombat. Get over here. Sorry if that seemed corny, y'all. Sorry. I'm goofy, if y'all haven't noticed. I do have a, if you're just tuning in, I do have a sell stop on NAS. I can't even see the freaking. Okay, you said 1024 candle. You got in a sale at the close of this. Yeah. That's like a normal reaction for a trader to get in there, but of course it does this crap here. You said take off then. US 30. Maybe talking about US 30 buys, man. Oh, yep, it's taking off. But I mean, that means the indices are in sync. That's a good thing. They are in sync. When they aren't, then that's when you have a problem. But I guess they in sync or whatever. Nope, US 30. I don't know what the heck. This is exactly why I have not been trading gold. Like, what is this? What is this? Oh my God. Gold. It's been consolidating for a while now. Yep. Curved a little bit. Ooh, that's a nasty gap. They still haven't filled it in all the way either. Yeah, ES. I saw that gap on ES too. Some fishy stuff going on, man. Some fishy stuff. Surprise! Reverse! For sure. Yep. Surprise. Damn. Damn. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna hit my limit. I mean, my sell stop. Y'all. It done took out this high right here too. It's just disrespecting everything. It's just. But the crazy thing is, is like when you get in buys and then it do something crazy. You know what I'm saying? You try to get in buys and ride the trend and do something crazy. No, let's check out that high. Let's see if it's gonna yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's even still a wedge like that anymore. At least when they get like 3 touches. I kind of counted this right here, this wick as a touch, but now if I move it down, it'll only be 2 touches. So, but it's still like, you know, like if you look at ES on the 5, like you only had one little hammer in the middle, one inverted hammer in the middle. I mean, like, yeah. Dang, time. Yeah, I got to be done by 11:30. thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for tuning in. It's a new channel. Brand spank. Well, I want to say brand new. I had this channel for a while, but as far as posting, I started posting about a month or two. But as far as streaming, it's like my third stream for this week. So thank you guys for pulling up. Appreciate y'all. I see I have some day ones. Michelle, Reese, Zay was in here earlier. It's T Money, definitely a day one. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for taking the time out of y'all busy schedule to tune into little old me, my live. I appreciate y'all. I just wish it was better conditions. I promise you, I'm not this bad of a trader. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, man, it's just like, you know, it's Q4. It's the end of December. Jay Jackson, for real? I appreciate you, Jay. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. I got love for y'all. I do. Because I ain't gonna lie, I was skeptical on starting it. It does take courage. It does. And for this to be my third L is like, oh my god. But I'm trading in the worst conditions ever, so yeah, me too. I love trading with the community too. Yes, it's very important. It's very important. Like, you know, so you won't be alone. There's a lot of people trying to make it out here, you know. Alright, I'm gonna just cancel my love. It's not for this. It's and it took out this high. Is wanting to trade higher. I feel like if I get in, it's just gonna do what it did earlier right here when I got in the sell, and it just. Speaking of, I gotta do my screenshot. I gotta do my screenshot for my journal, so I can show. Yeah, this was a textbook. This was a textbook. Risk management right here. Yeah, it does take courage for sure. And I know it's always gonna be trolls, you know what I'm saying? Talking trash and stuff like that. So you gotta have thick skin when you want to do this stuff right here. I'm telling you. What's it? 18. Yeah, it's just continue to trade up. Okay, I can delete this now. I have my screenshot. Like I said, ever since I've been 365 and looking. Yeah. 365, man. Wow, man. Let's talk about it for just a quick second. So I started in January. I joined right when he did the video and all of that. Like I started. I'm sorry, I'm trying to look for my chapstick. I'll try to have it like right here. Hold on just 1 second. Alright. Yeah, lips getting a little chapped up. Can't be, you know. Just being real. Can't be chopped up. Look, can't be lips. Can't be chopped up trying to talk to people. But yeah, I started in January, and it was good. I mean, like the first month, I think he was trading gold or something like that. He had some good trades that first month, but I think like he had like some family members or something that kind of that passed away, or somebody that was sick or something like that. And it's like when that happened, everybody just was just trolling. Oh, y'all, look, it's rejecting off of that 15. I don't know. The question is it gonna reject if it? Ooh. I'm gonna wait. That might be where that drop is gonna come in at. I don't know, man. Because it's basically retesting this 15-minute wedge right here. If this thing can drop right here, that'll be great. Where is that? Where's that previous daily high at again? I didn't mark it on Topstep. Okay, I see where it's at. Okay. Okay, it's at the 50% of that gap. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm still in it too, but I haven't been active in it or anything. I haven't been active at all in it. If you're just tuning in, welcome. Tell me where you from. This your first time. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you. Trading in the horrible conditions ever. The most horrible conditions. Yeah. When you want it to reject off of a gap, you don't want to see it going all the way up into it like this. You don't want to see that. You want to see it kind of reject off of the 50% of it. Like, you don't want to see it like trade all the way up into it. Yeah. Orlando. Ooh, beautiful. I've never been to, well, I think I've rode through it because I've been to Miami. Well, no. I don't even know. I don't really know too much about Orlando at all, but I know I've been to Miami for sure. It's beautiful down there. It is beautiful down there. Appreciate you, Next Level. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you. Let me see how it's rejecting off of this. That's what I'm looking at right now, guys. I do have this wedge right here. I want it to drop from this gap. Oh, where's Chattanooga, right? Tennessee, yes. Welcome, appreciate you, Nasir Al Harby. I'm sorry if I mispronounced it. But welcome. Thank you for tuning in. But I'm looking at this. Let me see. Cause it just came up too steep of a buy right here. Okay. Yeah. Welcome. We in the 1050 macro, y'all. It's gonna be a very, very tight stop loss if I take this. Saudi? Is that Saudi Arabia? What? You're out? What? Wow. Okay. That's what's up. Welcome. In a whole nother country, man. That's a blessing. Appreciate you for tuning in, man. That's huge. I'm cringing right now because it's like I want to take it, but it's rejecting very well off the 15 right here, but yeah, y'all do have the theme parks. Y'all do. Y'all do. I don't think I'm gonna get in. I need like a touch into this real quick. Just blew an account and got in here, I guess. Hey, he sure did. This is a Christian channel. To God be the glory. Jesus Christ is the way. Repent daily. Oh, y'all, I think I just missed it, but that's what I was looking for, though. And I think I just missed it. That was a beautiful rejection, too. But for how long? So you say you've just been trading a few months ago. So what do you trade? Are you trading Forex? You trading futures? What you trading? And trust me, you just blew an account. That is only the beginning. Trust me. Trust me. You're gonna blow many. Just make sure it's something that you love to do, because the losses are coming. But I mean, the wins are going to come. But I'm just saying, you know, just prepared. Just be prepared, you know. Don't. I think trading is ultimately worth it. Of course. Swoop. Yes. Of course. Yes. Absolutely. I really do. I truly do. It dropped down. Many of accounts had 6 ineligible accounts. Listen, I've been there. Look. Well, I just got this. Well, I didn't trade. I haven't traded on this one yet. But trust me, I've been there. Topstep, yeah, it wasn't the first I'm aware, but yeah, we'll get there, man. That's the type of mentality to have for sure. I'm telling you, that's the type of mentality to have. You just be in it. Yeah. Quitting is not an option. Absolutely not. Okay, so you futures. Have you ever traded Forex? Like the Forex market? I started with trading Forex. I just transferred over to futures in May. When everything was going on with MT4 and everything. I was hot. I'm not gonna lie. I've been trading on 100%. Okay. Now you see how it's dipping into this right here, y'all? I just feel like I need to be looking for buys, but it's ping-ponging now. Took the buy up from took the buy up from 219. Ooh, you way down there. Are you that got to be Forex. You trading on Forex? 219. Oh no, I'm tripping. Down here. 219. Unless you're talking about the 219, the last 3. Nah, yeah, you got to be on Forex. This is what you want to see. You want to see it. We want to see it bounce off of the a gap just like this. It only hit that 50%. That's what you want to see. No. Do not start trading live. from my experience, from my personal experience, do not, if you starting off, you say you just started a few months ago, practice first. Find out the strategy that works for you. Practice on it. Practice your risk management. Risk management is what you need to focus on. Like, really go approach the charts knowing how much you want to risk first. Don't even think about how much you want to make. Oh, that's what's up. Next level. I meant to say that. That's what's up. 1521. That's what's up. Yeah, don't start live. If you want to start live, just put, if you have to, put like 100 in there. And that's just my opinion, because you don't want to put so much money in there and then blow it, and then you get emotional, and it's like, that's your hard-earned money and stuff like that. That's just from experience. Practice risk management. I'm telling you, if you start at risk management, you will have a good start off. Like, you'll have a good you'll start off very well. Seriously. That was my problem. I was just trying to make money. Oh, because they flashed all the cars, they flashed the money on the MetaTrader 4 when everybody was trading on it. They flashed all that. So in my mind, I was thinking, okay, I just got to make money. I just have to make money. But what I should have been focusing on is risk management. If you focus on risk management, Nasir, like, you'll be where you need to be at for real. Like, seriously. I'm thinking about futures though. Yeah, the only reason why I switched to futures, well, there are plenty of reasons actually, is because 1, they're regulated. 2, there's no spreads. And it just seems smoother than Forex, in my opinion. It's like with Forex, you got to worry about them spreads, like doing this. Michelle, I'm just, with the way these markets are, it's like I'm just very, very cautious. I could have taken that sell. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the sell, to take this sell right here though. But it's like I've been getting in positions where it takes off from that position. And say if I would have got in, my stop loss would have been right here. My stop loss would have been like right here at the top of this 15-minute gap. And then my take profit normally is 100 ticks. But I know it's not really gonna get down there. I probably would have aimed for like this low or something like that, but trust me, I'm normally not this second guess. You have to pay monthly. Yeah, you do have to pay monthly. But I normally go ahead and pass them so I don't have to pay it. I'll pass within like a week. So after you pass it, you don't have to pay the monthly no more. Stop second guessing yourself. You're a great trader. You're literally, I called it. It's like just to seek and destroy. I don't like. It's like, ugh. I'm really not like this though. I guess because I'm trading live, and that's why I was kind of cautious at first, because I didn't want to like not trade my regular way. I would have taken that sell. You're welcome. But I don't know, cause like I already took a loss, and I don't know. But yeah, I was waiting for this. I was waiting for that initial 15-minute rejection right here. That's what I was looking at because of this wedge to come back down and come further down. Yeah, it's because I'm trading live. Like, this is my third stream, so it's like I done took 3 L's. I took 2 L's past couple of days, and then an L today. So it's like I think maybe that's kind of messing up my psychology just a little bit. But it's like I feel like I'll get better. I feel like I'll get better because I have the courage to, you know, go live and show everything and show you guys. So I just need to just trade the way I trade. And see how it's rejecting off of this gap right here? It's like 3 gaps that is moving off of, man. This is once the conditions come back, y'all will really see how I trade and what I look for. Yeah, I'm not rushing anything. No, I don't copy trade multiple accounts, Nasir. I don't. I thought about that, but like, say if I'm having a losing streak right now, it's like all of my accounts will be gone. It's like all my accounts will be gone, and I'm gonna have to buy them all again. I thought about that, but if you really can catch like some good string of trades though, you can really make some money off of that for real, especially on funded accounts. But see, Topstep have a new rule: you can only withdraw like 5,000 at a time per account. But shoot, I mean, you can make some money doing copy trade. And this losing streak has not been encouraging me to do that. The conditions has to be better. Like, when the conditions are better, the setups that I'm taking, listen, it really, the ICT concepts, it really just like clockwork. But being that the conditions is just not feasible right now, it just seemed like everything is just doing whatever. But it normally be smooth though, for real. Yeah, you 100% want to get better from here. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for the love, man. Listen, your accounts are not your responsibility. Oh, our accounts not your responsibility. Oh no. You good, Michelle. Thank you. I needed that. Ooh. Yeah, it's a guy on here. I don't know what his name is. But he be killing them my funded futures. I think he doing take profit trader, and he have copy accounts, and he be getting like 13K a week, or he be taking advantage of them copy trading those accounts for real. But it's like he has multiple accounts with multiple prop firms though. I only trade on Topstep. That's the thing. And I'm gonna try to cop my funded futures 165 expert. That one step with it basically has no rules. Just gotta make 4K. See what I'm saying? This is cringing to watch. Miss my setup. How you like ICT? I do like ICT. I mean, he do go on his little rants though. He go on his rants. But I know he means well, you know. He just want us to succeed as his students. I saw that somebody trying to sue him for trying to basically extort money from him because he said he was gonna delete his YouTube channel if he didn't win the Robbins Cup or something like that. It's some crap, man. It's just a lot of crap going on. But I do like ICT concepts, like, for real. It's you know, it's simple, but it is tedious when you watching his him teach on his YouTube mentorship. It's rejecting it again. It's just his lessons are tedious, but all I look for is the 10 to 11. He call it a silver bullet. Just looking for a high or low to be taken, a fair value gap, or a displacement. That's it. It's simple. And it's like, if you lose, you just lose. You just have to. My main thing is looking for the same exact thing every day. I've had my time with switching up strategies for a long time. And this year I just stuck to looking for one specific thing at a specific time, and I have been consistent with it. But this is my first year learning when to trade, when not to trade, with all this news. Like, it's news every day this week. You know, some people say don't trade on this day, don't trade here, don't trade there. You know, it's like, that's what I'm still learning. I'm still learning when I need to be trading, when I don't need to be trading, and stuff like that. FOMC, CPI, NFP, all of those news events. Because I was just coming to the market just trading, but because when I first started out, I was like, dang, like, why isn't it like playing out? And it's really the conditions of the market. You just gotta know when to trade, and that's very important when you're trading too. You gotta know when to trade and when not to trade, and when to stop trading. So it looks like this gap is holding though. Let me look at ES. It seemed like the draw right now for ES is the previous daily high. It moved right on through that 15-minute fair value gap. Look like it could be inverting it. The ES has yet to take a high or a low. Oh no, it did take it out. It took out the previous daily low right here. Just like NAS. Yep. Yeah, it look like ES is trying to invert this 15-minute gap here on ES. So that means oh my god. You still holding, Michelle? I'm having issues with market executing, especially with 13. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I gotta really adjust to trading live though. I'm really a daredevil for real. I'm really a daredevil for real. I would have definitely taken that sale right there. Because that's what I was looking for. Y'all saw me when I said, you know, this wedge right here, 15-minute gap, and it rejected off of it perfectly. But it's all good though. I'm only at a 150 loss for the day. Anybody else took this? Might get back in though if we break those lows. Take the risk. I did call it though, for real. I really did. That's what I was waiting. That's what I was looking for. It's just, I done got burnt by NAS so many times, y'all. I just be trying to. Dang, my TP right down here too. That's what I was saying, man. When you see this shape like this, let me go to. When you see like a freaking steep behind shape to go up, it has to pull back. Yeah, you need to get with futures, cause for me it's just, you feel more secure. Now don't get me wrong, like whenever I start, you know, having consistent payouts and stuff, I am gonna like put some money in a forex broker, but I'm not gonna put a lot of money in there. I put like 1,000 or 2,000 in there, and then like make a couple thousand, and then like withdraw it, and then, you know. But as far as like big money, yeah, I'm definitely gonna put that in Tradeovate. It's all about the journey. Thank y'all for tuning in. It's 10 people here. Welcome. Where you from? I might take this sell off of this right here, y'all.
Order filled.
Because it's just inverting that like too big, too beautiful. Like, all right, my stop loss. I mean, not my stop loss. I'll probably just see if it's gonna take out this low right here. Dang, I should have did two so I can take partials. It's alright. I think that was a pretty good entry. Because it was inverting this gap right here. How it was coming down. It inverted this. It did not trade higher. It came down, inverted this, inverted this. Yeah, broke them lows. Yeah. How you like the trading platforms for Topstep? I love it. Topstep X. Yeah, I love it. It's clean. It's not so much going on. It took some little adjusting because I kind of wanted this side, like the side, the panels. I wanted it to be the same color as the chart. I don't even know if I can. I probably can change it, but it took some adjusting. But it's just like TradingView. You know, it's just like TradingView. In a sense. It's finally breaking that wedge, y'all. Finally. ES is finally inverting this. So good. Good confluences. Sheesh. Now, is it going to stick is the thing. My God. I mean, I might try to just hold it until here. We'll see. We'll see. At least I can get what I lost in Asian session. I mean, London. And I'm going to break even probably around... Hold on. First off, put my stop loss there. I'll probably put it to break even halfway. Like, seem like it's like right here. Yeah, Trade Locker. I used to trade on Trade Locker. I don't like all the maintenance stuff though. They have so much maintenance updates, and then it be freezing up. Trade Locker used it. It didn't used to be like that. It wasn't that bad. Like, they always doing maintenance all the time. It's like, what are y'all doing? They gotta do this every single week. That was a beautiful move down, Nasir, for sure. That's what I'm saying. Like, when I'm telling y'all, like, when the market is running beautiful, it be like this almost every day. It don't be so hard to look for the setup. It's like clockwork every day. That was basically the 1050 macro when it did all this. Right here, even when it pushed down right here, this is what you want to see. And this right here was what is called the SMT divergence. That's all it is. And that's another thing with ICT concepts. It's like he used names that's already like popular in the forex market, and he just create different names for them, basically. That's what I had found out, because he was having all these nicknames. I'm like, what? What is that? You mean divergence? Like, that's SMT, that's the same thing. But yeah, my manager's risk. I mean, my risk is managed. My risk is managed on this trade, so that's all that matters. I wasn't really... My limit for today was 250, so... I think I'm going to go ahead and set it to break even, too. I would wait for it, but the conditions of the market, I'm gonna just go ahead and set it to break even. I'm not playing with NAS today. Anybody else took this? Michelle, you still holding with me? Or you scalped out? How many ticks you normally, or you just kind of go with price action, or do you have a specific amount of ticks that when you like scalp, when you get out? If it keeps moving like this, I might hold it until, I don't know. You gotta be careful for this little gap right here though. You did? Okay, that's what's up. Funder Pro? How's Funder Pro, Reese? Set my break even right now. Dang, that thing dropping nice. I don't know, y'all. I think I might try to capitalize on this thing. I may try to, let me see. Gotta go with the trend of the market. I've been losing. Let me see where the 50% of this 4-hour gap at. I might hold it to the 50% of that 4-hour gap. Oh, I'm not far away from it. I'm gonna move this. Well, no, I still want that to be there so I can see when that low is at. That thing moving, y'all. Dang, I should have put 2 contracts so I can take partials, man. I would have took one. I would have definitely took one off right now. I ain't gonna be greedy. I'm gonna just take it to that 50% right there. Because I have to go see the venue of my sons. Oh, okay. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, I gotta go too. I have 10 minutes. You have a blessed day as well. God bless you. Be safe out there. I had any problems with them yet. Oh, okay. Funder Pro. Okay, cool. Yeah, I have 9 minutes. I'm having lunch with my goddaughters today. Their little Christmas luncheon. I have to be there at 12. Well, one at 12 and then one at 1. 3 contracts. Count it all joy. I know that's right. That's what's up. That's what's up. The previous daily low again. It's approaching the previous daily low. ES looking doggone good. ES hasn't even taken out the previous daily low yet. At all. I ain't gonna lie. I might just hold it until ES take that low out. Yeah, I might just hold it till they take out that low. Because, you know, NAS and ES are sisters. We'll see, though. Because I might end up, if NAS do something crazy, I might end up just taking something. Just closing. Gotta watch it, because it'll do something crazy. But I mean, that's why I set it to break even, so remember it's free. But I'm really just trying to get back what I lost. But even if I don't get it all back, it's still good. You got this low right here. I have this internal sell side liquidity right here. Okay, see, yeah. Let's see how this close. I think I might just go ahead and close, man. Let's see how this candle close, y'all. If it's trying to push all the way back up, I'm just gonna go ahead and get out. You still in US 30, Reese? I don't think I remember you say you got that. I know you said it was at that resistance. Are you still here? Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop on out. Like it's trying to. Ooh, yeah, I'm definitely getting out.
Order filled.
Look at that. That is a clear indication of a reversal. That's a freaking morning star pattern for sure. On the 3 and the 5. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm out. I'm out, y'all. Right after they broke. Okay, that's what's up. I'm gonna do my screenshot for my journal. Well, that was perfect timing though, to a certain extent. Perfect timing. Anybody else caught that drop though? I know Nasir said he did. Michelle had to leave. What's up, Sep? What's up, KK Invest? Appreciate it. 1 out of 4. I'm just watching now. Okay, that was good. Yeah. That's what's up. Glad somebody caught something. But yeah, that's a clear indication of a reversal, bro. I come from retail trading. I don't retail trade anymore, but I can't help but to see certain things. That's definitely a reversal pattern there. And being that it's on 2 time frames, yeah. Look at it. It's on the 5 and the 3. Yeah. I'm out, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my journal. I haven't even completed this one from yesterday. That's the thing, man. It's so hard to be consistent with it because I be like in and out of trades sometimes. Okay, so this is how I journal my trades. Today is the 18th, so I'm just gonna slap all of these in here. Now this is the trade I took this morning. I had a sell stop here. I should have kept it in there, but I ended up getting in still, catching that drop. So this is what I normally do. I put the day. I use Notion.com. Today is what? Wednesday. And the P&L for the day is -70. But I did just win the last one, but I had lost $50 London session, and then I lost 100 on that trade I just showed y'all. Then I won. How much I won on this trade right here? Oh yeah, look at this. Yep. That's how much I'm down on this account, y'all. This is what I'm doing for this month. Horrible. Today was like the first somewhat went 81.50. Okay. And I risked one contract. Ticks risked. I risked. $15 ticks on this one. 15. I think the first one I risked. Probability low. Pair and Q emotional before 90%. News. What was it? No, it wasn't no news today. It's news later on today. So I'm gonna have to make another option on that one. Short risk to award. I try to aim for 1 to 2. New York session. Trading style. Scalp. This was a SMT fair value gap. What else? Oh, it was a wedge, which is a bearish setup. What else? It didn't take a high like that, really. It just, yeah. So I think that's pretty much it. Result. Took profit early. Set the break even. Yes. Took partials. No, I didn't have any. Motion after trade. Acceptance. That's pretty much it. That's how I journal my trade, guys. I'm gonna put this in the red because I'm still negative for today, but at least I dug into that 151. My max loss for today was 250, so I managed to manage my risk today, which is great, even in the conditions for today. So I had 1 L and then 1 W. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. God bless each and every last one of y'all. I have 12 people in here. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. I normally live stream every day around 9:20, between 9:20 and 9:30. I'm gonna put 9:20 on my YouTube, but it's gonna be like between 9:20 and 9:30. So I got a blast like Jimmy Neutron. That was corny. But anyway, yeah, because I gotta have lunch with my goddaughters today. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll be back tomorrow. There's news at 8:30, so we might be able to find a good setup tomorrow because FOMC is today between 2 and 2:30. So hopefully, the markets won't be so crazy tomorrow. So, but thank you guys for tuning in, and I shall see you guys on tomorrow. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Entertainment.